In this video, let's quickly unbox this 38-in-1 tool kit from UGREEN, whether it's really good and how's the quality of it. Without further ado, let's quickly unbox it. So here's how the product comes, and in the inside there's nothing in it, and here's the product. Actually, this is the first time of me unboxing this. As the first impression, this gives a really good feeling. I think you can see the quality of it, and you can hold it like this as well. And we have the screw numbers as well. So how to open this? Here's how. That's the button. Here's the button, and wow, it feels really good. And put it on the surface, and if we click the button, this is so awesome. Actually, it gives a really nice look. So on the inside, we got this screw and this one. So we can turn it like this as well. And also they have mentioned all the screw numbers on here as well. Also, the other special thing is we can just get this side, and let's check the quality of it. Actually, it's so easy to put. If you need to put this, you can easily just like that. It has a strong magnet, so I think that's it. We can use it as a lever as well. I think if the space is tight, we can use it as a lever as well. Actually, I'm not an expert about this product, so that's all. So that's all I know. I hope you got it. I hope you got it. So in my opinion, and as from my buyer's experience, this is a really good product. They said that the quality of it, these are really nice. So obviously for this price, I think this is a really good thing. So what's your opinion about this product? Just let me know in the comments, because it will definitely be useful for someone.